Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I realized that a lot of my clothing is very black and grey and boring, so we're gonna be customizing this hoodie and hopefully making it a bit less boring. I'm not sure how we're gonna do it yet, but I bought some materials. I bought these rhinestones and also some cloth that we can print or paint on. We're just gonna see where it goes with these materials. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna take this off and we're gonna start customizing. I'm done sewing now, and so far we put this patch on. Yeah, we put these rhinestones on it too, and we also distressed the corners a bit so it looks more raw. We sewed this cross on that I got from eBay. It was like $2 or something like that. Yeah, we sewed that on under the sleeve so it's kind of hidden. I like that. Alright, this is the moment of truth. Alright. But yeah, so far so good. I think it looks pretty cool. It's simple, not overdone. It's a cool hoodie that you can actually wear. I didn't want to I feel like sometimes when people do custom clothing videos, they kind of overdo it, like distress the whole thing and paint all over the hoodie, which kind of makes it unwearable in my opinion. I wanted to make something that I would actually wear and looks kind of normal. So yeah, I think this hoodie is a cool design without being super over the top. I think that's gonna be it for today, guys. I think the hoodie turned out pretty good and I'm very happy about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, as promised in the last video, I'm gonna choose a winner for this MacBook LV sleeve, and we're gonna do that right now. So we're gonna roll it now and see what it lands on, and that will be number 45. So since there were 50 original comments, we're gonna go to the Instagram and go 5 up. So that will be. So if your name is Mats_Kenting_Jr., congratulations, you won the giveaway. And if that's not you, stay tuned because I'll be making more giveaways in the future. Make sure to check out my channel, subscribe if you're new.